Hi everyone, welcome to Watch It Wednesday. Today I am joined by my lovely assistant, Miss Alexis,
Hello.
and we are going to show you the Deluxe Tool Kit. This is the case that it comes in, and how would you describe this case?
It's awesome. It's very cushiony. It's very sturdy and compact, which is really nice.
Yep.
It's definitely a quality case.
I'm going to show them how it opens. It's kind of like a magnet, right?
Yeah, it's a magnet.
Oh wait, is it a magnet?
Yep.
No, it's not. It's actually
No?
like a little
Oh,
buckle.
it's a snap.
It's a
It's
snap.
like a snap.
Yep. Okay. Those are all the tools inside. Want to hand me one?
Yep.
All right. Oop. These are the scissors she was pulling off. It comes with a little protective plastic piece on it so that you don't poke yourself. So you can see that these are curved scissors, so they're great for trimming your wraps. And you want to hold them and show them the open close. They're a sturdy pair of scissors. They're kind of a thick metal.
Yeah.
They feel like they've got a little bit of weight to them.
And you can feel their quality.
Yeah.
For sure.
I think that these are probably a better quality than come with the regular application kit.
You can't see it, but it does say Jamberry.
Oh, does it?
Yep.
Cool. Yeah. All right, and then next up we have the cuticle clippers. These are the cuticle clippers. They've got a nice sharp edge to remove the clippers. So when you push your cuticles back, sometimes there's a fair amount of cuticle there. You can use these to remove that excess cuticle. I do believe that there's some debate as to whether that's a healthy thing to do or not. But if you want to, this is an option. Some people also use this to trim their wraps. I should have mentioned that. So sometimes you get a wrap on and you realize, oops, it's a little bit too wide, it's touching my skin. You can take this, because it's nice and small, and go in and flat, right, and go in and trim the excess wrap off.
Rather than the scissors.
Rather than the scissors, yes. So the way it works is you turn this up, and then it gives you some spring action. Alrighty. Oh, and it says Jamberry on the inside, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
We're going to have to play a game called Find the Jamberry. Very good. Next up, we have these clippers. These are large clippers. I would normally say something this size is intended for toenails, but I think toenail clippers are usually straight across, and these are curved. So you can use these however you want. These also have some good weight to them, but good spring action. I think that they would be really good for trimming your excess wraps. I know that I have to use clippers when I'm trimming from my left to my right. The scissors don't work for me. I have to use clippers on that end. So these would be great for that.
And bigger nails, like thicker.
Thicker nails, very good, that's true. And did you notice anything else about those that you want to point out?
Again, they say Jamberry.
Yay, Jamberry! We also have the Jamberry. See, there it says it right there.
Yeah!
Glass nail file. The glass nail file is something that consultants were purchasing prior to having the Deluxe Tool Kit. They were purchasing on their own and recommending to their customers. I don't recommend them for removing excess wrap, but after you've removed the wrap with the coarse nail file, sometimes your nail feels kind of rough, and you can use this to trim the rough edge. Then also what you can do, I'll model on Alexis, is gently file at a 45-degree angle. Just lightly file. That will make sure that there's no wrap hanging over the edge, so that you don't get lifting. And then I would always follow by the baggy method, because I like the baggy method for sealing in tips.
And if your finger feels rough, or after you've used the coarse nail file, use this.
Yep.
Because that smooths it out.
This smooths it out. Yep, it's very nice. And the final product is the cuticle spoon.
And I found the Jamberry on that.
You found the Jamberry on that?
It's
You want to show
really
it?
tiny. You're not going to be able to see it, but it's right there.
Right in the middle. There might be too much glare for them to see it.
It's really small, but...
So you can see there's a wide end and a narrow end, and this is heavy. This has some serious weight to it. What you use this for is to gently push back your cuticles, but it also, when you rub it against your nail, it will remove any invisible cuticle. If you have any issues with lifting around the edges, you could have invisible cuticle, and this is great for just gently removing it. I'll do another video another time for nail prep to show you how this works. But this is another thing that consultants were purchasing on their own before the Deluxe Tool Kit. I have not done the price comparisons myself, but when we first got the Deluxe Tool Kit, some consultants did go to their local beauty supply outlets and priced out comparable tools, and they found that the $40 Deluxe Tool Kit was actually a bargain. Keep in mind, if you host a qualifying party, you can get this for half price. So then it is definitely a bargain. Okay, so this is our Deluxe Tool Kit. I would strongly recommend it. I think the products are very quality, and you'll never get them confused with any other products because they all say Jamberry on them.
Yay!
All right, everybody, have a great day. Bye.
Bye.